my beetroot cucumber juice. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Anne's Happy Place, where we have juices, smoothies, lovely Jamaican dishes, porridges, soup, lots more menu. Welcome to my happy place. Today I'm going to be doing for you beetroot cucumber juice. I'm going to be doing for you a beetroot cucumber juice. So let's get started, guys. Remember to like all my videos, remember to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Alright, let's get started, guys. So I have 3 beetroots cut up, 3 medium beetroot, 1 large cucumber. I have some turmeric and ginger. I removed the outer skin and cut them up here. And I have tablespoon of sugar, sugar, some lime juice, and I have some water, a blender, my pot on my strainer. So let's get started. I'm gonna add my beetroot and cucumber to the blender. Right, they're all nice and diced up. Alright, put this aside. I'm gonna add my ginger and turmeric. Okay, I'm gonna add half teaspoon of lime juice. Okay, next I'm gonna add my sugar. It's sugar, and it's a tablespoon. You can add honey, or you don't have to add any sweetener. Depends on your taste. Alright, add my water. Alright, and I'm going to blend. Alright, it's the blender. Here, have it, guys. All done. I'm gonna put that aside. I'm gonna bring forth my pot with my strainer, and I'm gonna strain my juice. Alright. Isn't it lovely? Rich. Side. Nice and rich, guys. Okay, it was so rich, so I added a little bit more water to get some more juice from this. Alright, So it depends on how strong you want your beetroot to be and cucumber juice. You just add the water accordingly. Alright. Also, as I said before, if you don't want it to be sweetened, you don't have to use any sugar or anything at all. You can have it just the same, and all natural. Alright. Or you can add a little honey to taste. Alright. So we are going to glass this now with a little ice for it to chill, and then it is ready. Alright guys, and there you have it guys, my beetroot cucumber juice. It's good for the entire family. It has nutrients for your body. Yes, beetroot cucumber juice. See guys, and I've garnished it with some black mint. Alright, so you can have this any time of the day. Alright, beetroot cucumber juice. To like this video, remember to share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come on over. We have lots of juice and lots of delicious menu over on Anne's channel. Come over, invite a friend to come over to share, like and subscribe. Okay guys, remember to like my last video that I posted. It's at the end of this video. Don't forget guys to share it with your friends and family. My beetroot cucumber juice, garnish with some black mint. Alright guys, have fun, happy mixing. Thank you for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.